All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Cluster API release team meeting for May 27th, 2025. This is the SIG Cluster Lifecycle Cluster API release team meeting. We abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct. Please raise your hand in Zoom if you'd like to speak, and generally uh, treat people as you expect to be treated, and you'll be good to go. All right. So if you're here at the meeting, feel free to add yourself to the attending list on the Google Doc. And if you didn't notice last week, we had figured out that we had like the wrong mailing list for edit access linked in the document. So that link has been updated. So if you sign up for the mailing list, you should now actually be able to edit the document. Yay. All right. First things first, going to hand over to Matt for CI team update.
Yeah, briefly, things look pretty good, which in my reckoning means we've had 10 runs and they were all green or maybe one flaked. Except for one test that failed twice in the last day, uh, where a machine deployment scaled up to two, but not three replicas within 300 seconds, and so the test failed. So I entered an issue for that, but I haven't dug any deeper. Nonetheless, I don't think that precludes us releasing the alpha or anything. So, yep, that's all I got.
All right. Thank you. Chandan, any updates from the comms team? I know you're clacking away on a PR right now.
Yeah, no, all good. Just created like couple of issues that I think you have already added those. So I think that I will check with the team who is going to ready to pick those up. That's like pretty small issues in
Yeah.
the release now.
All right. Thank you. And now we check on the 111 release tests, which, oh, that's really tiny. Let's see if I can make that bigger.
Can you
Bigger.
scroll up a little bit?
Yes. Did that work?
Oh, maybe it's not updating for me.
Is
Sorry.
it? No, you tell me. Is it? What are you seeing? Is it showing
I
the?
see the document, but it's scrolled all the way up to the top, so maybe it's not updating. But
Oh, yeah. All right. Let me
what
try
do
something.
other people see?
Yeah, same for me.
All right.
Oh,
Let me retry this then. Hello. All right. Is it showing the release tasks or no?
now it shows the browser and the release tasks. Yeah.
Good. Oh, that's what I wanted, right? Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, all right, cool. And I just figured out how to preview what you're seeing because Zoom had shut all that off. All right, cool. All right. And it's scrolling. Yay. All right. So here we are, week 5. We have two things on the task list for this week. The first thing the maintainers pinged us about yesterday, which several of us didn't notice till today because of, well, at least I didn't notice until today because holiday. Um, but now the holiday's over, we are going to cut the v1.11 Alpha 0 release today. And then after that, the comms team will let the providers know that the alpha exists in case they want to start testing against it. And yeah, and that'll be it for the next few weeks. Um, that cut today will be very much similar to what we did last week, except instead of being on the 110 or 19 release branches, it'll just be off of main. So if you've been waiting to try and run 111 on your own, this will be the first pre-release out there that we would encourage you to try. Okay. And with that, come back and we have the improvement board. Let's look at the improvement board. Right. The improvement board has some things been marked done, and we got a few things that have been added, comms related, that Chandon had me throw on the board. And yeah, so I assume people are working on those, and that sounds good to me because these are all cool little nitpicks to get solved and make our lives easier going forward. Anyone want to talk about the improvement task board at all?
Should I also add the flake that I issue, or is that not improvement
I was
reports?
adding that, but I don't, whatever.
I
I
think I
I
will,
like
just
it
so
being
it's
out
more
here.
visible.
Yeah, I like it being here in case people just click this link and they're like, "What can I do to help this release?" It's literally all the things that we've identified related to the release. So,
Sounds good. I like that argument. I will go at it.
Um, yeah, cool. All right, back to our notes. Oh wait, that's it. That's so now is more the discussion point. So if anyone has questions, organizational things, complaints, feedback for me as a release lead, since I feel like um, uh, I'm new, so there's probably things I'm overlooking. So anything like that, anything at all. Okay. All right. Very quiet. Cool. If you let's see, is somebody raising their hand or no? No. There's a little raise hand thing on my screen that's confusing me, but it's probably just Zoom's interface. Okay, cool. Ignoring that, then I would say I'm going to keep this stream going after the meeting. For anybody who's shadowing or wanting to see what's going on, please stay on and watch. I'll try to share the process until we get to the point where we have to like wait half an hour for tasks to go. Um, but feel free to stick around and ask questions. And if you are the shadow, Shira, I think you're the release lead shadow. If you want to reach out to me to organize any Q&A or anything like that, feel free. Just ping me on Slack, or we can talk after the meeting, whatever is best for you. Um, and yeah, and with that, it looks like Chandan's got the first PR up, so we're gonna go send that over to the maintainers to get it approved, and then we can move forward with the release stuff. Okay, cool. Well, that's a meeting, folks. Thanks for joining. We'll be back next week. And until then, have a good one, everyone.
Thanks,
Okay.
Chris.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Yeah.